Hey girl, hey, today is a stitch fix day. That's hard to say sometimes, girl. Stitch fix day. Girl, you know your girl be happy when she see that box get dropped off. I get happy when I get the notification. It's so hard for me not to peek, but I did not peek. So let's get started. Oh, it might sound funny. I've been out in the pollen all day today. My grandson had a baseball game. Girl, it was hilarious because them little boys out there were hitting that ball shot. Anyway, stitch fix. See there, it's still intact, girl. So we're gonna break it open together. So first of all, let's just at least see the note that we got. I hope I got Devani again this time. So, hello there, Teresa. Happy Fix Day and welcome back. This is my third fix, y'all. I hope this finds you well in Garner. I hope this package on your doorstep brought you a smile. Yes, it did, girl. That it did. So, I didn't really ask for much. I just asked for, this time I asked for, I said some really distressed, lightweight, summer, jeans I can wear in the summer. I love the cut up jeans. I think I want really more distressed jeans, but like more distressing on them. So I do see a blouse from Camuto in here. So this is a little note that they give y'all, Stitch Fix. Y'all know it's a subscription box. You can get it monthly, weekly, bi-weekly. I don't know if you can get it weekly, but definitely bi-weekly, monthly, every 2 or 3 months, however you want to get it delivered to you. Anywho, and if you sign up through my link below, you can get $25 off. I get $25, so you get to try it, girl, with $25 off. Well, you get $25. I don't know if I should say off. Well, I guess it is off because you can use it towards your box, whatever. So you get $25. I get $25, and it's all good. What else about Stitch Fix? You fill out the survey. Now, my stylist is Devani. She, which I found out here, is fabulous. It is a she. She's fabulous. She does go to my Pinterest. You can link your Pinterest. You can link your YouTube, which I love. I'm so glad about that because I do put a lot of stuff in my Pinterest. And these are just things that I like stuff that I actually see that I like, for her to be able to go in and kind of get an idea of my style. I fill out every single day. Every day they give you like this little thing you can fill out of, and they'll do like styles that you like. You can say, you can thumbs up them or thumbs down them. That's every day. I love filling that thing out. So she probably has been able to really be good at my style because I fill that out every single day. Like you could do that every day. And let's see here. Thank you, Devani. She said that I was mentioning that I went to see yellow in this box. So she included a Goldray blouse that features a unique bead detail around the neck. And you do get a style card. So I don't want to look at the style card too much. We'll talk about the prices at the end because I don't want the pricing to like deter me from actually liking a piece. Because girl, sometimes you might see the price, you're like, oh no, that's too much. I'm not doing that. So therefore you don't really appreciate the item. So with that being said, let me stop talking. I got a small little burrito, but I do see some yellow because your girl's into yellow, mustardy, all those colors. I do see the jeans. So let's pop this open. Do I need to tell you anything else about Stitch Fix? I don't think so. So let's see what we got here. This is the Goldray Odelya bead detailed tulip hem halter blouse. Ooh, what a name. This is different for me, and I definitely would not have picked this out at all. Look at that. I love the color. We're gonna have to try this on so y'all can get like the full effect of this, but let's just. Next up, we have some leopard print. Girl, this is my type of blouse. I love these types of blouses. I love the hems on them. This is just my thing. And I'm loving the print. And I think she said that she saw on my Pinterest that I had pinned like some leopard jackets or something like that. I probably did. But so she decided to get me a leopard shirt, and I'm glad she did because in the South, y'all, it is beginning to get hot. Oh yeah, this is the Vince Camuto mirror pleated shoulder detail blouse. That I love this. So I'm gonna I also list in the description below all the item numbers and descriptions and stuff like that, so that if you see something, because there's been times I watch people's unboxings and I'm like, yo, I like that, so it would help to actually have the name listed below. Now this is something that I definitely, I love polka dots. I think you probably heard me say I love polka dots, but look at the detail. Y'all see the pearls right there? Can you see the pearls on that? That is that. I have just a little gaping like right here, but I think I can just put on a minimizer bra and I'll be fine. That's what I pretty. Oh my goodness! And this is like a light pink, I want to say, with blue polka dots, I think. Oh, I love that. Bye. This shirt is by Karl, Lagerfeld, Paris. And like I said, I'll put this, it's in blush, the blush color. I'll put that in the description bar. But this, I think, is going to be an off the shoulder, which I really love. Oh, it's going to be short though. But you know what? Maybe with it coming off the shoulder, so it won't be so short. But I love the colors in it. The blue, the white, and of course the yellow. Yeah. Oh, this is Skies Are Blue. Terri embroidered off the shoulder top. I did ask for more off the shoulder pieces. Thank you, Devani. Did I tell y'all she's a girl? Yeah, she's a girl. She answered me and said she is a she. Because I was like, is a she or a he? She's a she. And look at these distressed pants by Pistola. And these are 33s. This is Pistola Westlyn distressed released hem skinny jean. So I asked for some really distressed jeans, and these are not like really distressed, they're distressed, but it's a little distressing here. The hems are released, so that is a little distressing. They are lightweight, which I think will be great for the spring and the summer, because I got some pants some jeans that I recently got from Tulip, and those jeans are thick and heavy as crap, and there's no way. They're comfortable, but they're just too thick in the summertime in the South, honey, because yeah, your girl's not, I'm not doing that. So talk about these jeans, honey. Let me tell you, these jeans are, I love these jeans. They have the distressing on the thighs. They probably are, I need a belt, but they probably are a mid-rise. I can't go any smaller, because if I go any smaller, then I'm gonna have a problem like all up in here, all up in through here. The hem of these are like this. They're the release hems, but I could actually roll these up and make them shorter if I wanted to in the, make them shorter. If I wanted to do something like this, like cuff them some, then that would be fine. But these really are really good summer jeans. Like, I love these jeans for the summer. And they fit the tush. Okay, girl, let's talk prices. Where my price sheet at? Hold on. Because, of course, we're going to look at prices because, you know, I mean, girl want to know what these items cost. So here is my style card. So y'all know that they also give you like different ways that you can style these items, like different. It's a style card. I do keep my style cards, even though I got my own way of styling things, but I am thankful to get these style cards because sometimes they do give you some really good ideas about how to wear the items. So first up, we have the Goldray Odelya Bead Detail Tulip Hem Halter Top. Girl, this is an extra large and it is $58. The next one is, let's see, which one is this going to be? This is Karl Lagerfeld Paris Pearl Detail Top in blush, extra large, $58. Okay, we have the, what is this? the Vince Camuto, which is like, I love Vince Camuto. I really do. Vince Camuto Merra pleated top detail something in brown, extra large, $58. And all these tops, $58. Then we have, last but not least, we have Skies Are Blue, the shirt I'm wearing here, the Terri embroidered off the shoulder top in blue, $54, extra large. The jeans, get this, you know how much these jeans cost? Can you take a guess? Guess real quick. And these are in Indigo. So see, can you guess how much they are real quick? Okay, these are a size 16. They're 33 in length, which I need a 33. I have to have, if they're gonna be pants, I need a 33. And these are $88, of course. Let's see. The buy all discount, 25% off, is $79 off, which brings it down to $237. And I got a style pass because I was invited to get the style pass membership for $49. And it says enjoy your fix without the regular $20 styling fee. So with that, $49, so it costs $49, but then they take $49 off. Thank you. Brings this total down to $188. So that's a great total, $188 for all these. I really do like these. My favorite would be this top, the yellow top, the Vince Camuto top, and the jeans. So I have 4 favorites out of all of these. Thinking about this, I gotta look at the style part to see what I could actually, what they recommend I style this with. Because I mean, even though I could wear it with jeans, I could wear it with anything really. But this would be my least favorite, and it's okay. I mean, I love the pearl detailing at the neck. That's just like something that you wouldn't expect to see. You could be like, are those pearls? You know what I'm saying? And too, girl, that's not bad. Thank you, Tiffany. If you're watching my video, thank you so much. I do like these items. I think the next time I'm probably gonna go for something a little more casual. My casual, now, I don't know, because I like these tops and I can dress these casual. I can make these tops casual, or I can make them dressy. So I could dress them up, I could dress them down, either way. So I really can't say, because this is my style of tops. You know what I'm saying? I like these style tops. I love this style top here. So maybe I'll ask for something more along the lines of, like, maybe this. To me, this is dressed down a little bit more for my next fix. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna ask for, but I think I'm definitely gonna ask for that. I love this fix though. To me, this is a 5 and 5. I told you my top ones. I don't, a favorite top, I don't know. I think I like all 3 of these the same. And the jeans I love. My favorite piece would be the jeans, girl. So if I couldn't get anything but one, I would get the jeans. But I'm getting all of this since it's $188. Thank you, Devani. I appreciate it. And girl, let me tell you something. If you have not hit the sub button yet, hit the sub button and hang out with your girl. And I upload videos when I feel like it. I don't have no specific time. You might get 2, 3, 4 a week. You might get 1 a week. You know, I upload videos whenever the mood strikes me. And if you have not got your Stitch Fix box, go ahead, what you gotta lose? I mean, you're getting $25. They give you the envelope, so anything you don't like, you don't want, you can ship it back. There's no hassle, there's no questions being asked. Just ship it back if you don't want it. Or if you want 1 or 2 items, girl, buy them 1 or 2 items, and the $20 will go towards your purchase. $25, whatever, go towards your purchase, and you good to go. You know what I'm saying? You good. You good. So my link is in the description bar below. Remember, I get $25, you get $25. You get $25, I get $25. And you can get to try the box out. You know what I'm saying? Then you can just pass it on to your friends if you want to, or you can pass my link on to your friends, however you want to do it. Anyway, I will hold back to the next video. Bye, girl.